10 ways to stop dandruff without using chemicals. There's a common belief that dandruff is caused by dry skin. However, this is a myth, as dandruff appears on excessively oily skin, and the yeast that lives on your skin starts growing while feeding itself off of the skin's oil. If you've ever faced this annoying problem, there's no need to buy expensive stuff to cure it, since there are some remedies that will help you fight dandruff without emptying your pockets. Here at Brightside, we know the struggle of having a flaky collar, so we took the time to look into the remedies that can fight dandruff, but that don't contain hormones and other harmful ingredients. We'd love for you to learn more about them together with us. 1. Orange peel with lemon juice. Orange peel contains calcium, magnesium, vitamin C, and dietary fibers that can all positively affect your body. For curing dandruff, the recipe is as follows. 1. Take orange peels and put them in a bowl. Then squeeze lemon juice in it. 2. Grind the ingredients till they turn into a paste. 3. Apply the paste to your scalp and let it sit for 30 minutes. 4. Wash it away with shampoo. 2. Aspirin mixed with shampoo. Aspirin contains salicylic acid, which is also used in anti-dandruff shampoos. It is believed to be one of the most successful ingredients in fighting dandruff, all due to its ability to exfoliate excess dandruff flakes and prevent excessive oil. To use aspirin on dandruff, crush a couple of aspirin tablets into a fine powder and mix it with a portion of your regular shampoo. Apply the mixture to the hair and leave it for a few minutes, then rinse it out. 3. Fenugreek seeds in the form of a pest. Fenugreek seeds have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties. To fight dandruff with the help of fenugreek, you'll need to follow this simple recipe. 1. Put some seeds in a small bowl of water and let them soak overnight. 2. In the morning, mash the seeds into a paste-like substance and add some lemon juice. Mix it well. 3. Apply the paste onto your scalp and hair and leave it to dry for 30 minutes. 4. Wash it out with shampoo. 4. Banana with vinegar. You will need 1 full banana and 2 cups of apple cider vinegar. Peel the banana, add the apple cider vinegar, and mix it all well until you get a paste. Then gently massage this paste into your hair and make sure it covers all of it completely. After 20 minutes, rinse the mask off with warm water and your regular shampoo. 5. Basil leaves and amla powder. 1. Gather some basil leaves, 2 teaspoons of amla powder, and 2 teaspoons of water. 2. Mix these ingredients to get a clean paste. 3. Apply the paste over your scalp and let it dry for 30 minutes. 4. Rinse your hair with some water. Applying this remedy on a daily basis will also help you increase the strength of your hair and aid with hair loss. 6. Coconut oil with lemon. 1. Heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and mix it equally with lemon juice. 2. Apply the mixture to your scalp and massage your hair gently with it. 3. Leave it for 20 minutes and then rinse it off with some shampoo. 7. Neem juice. 1. Crush some neem leaves to get a thick paste. 2. Apply it to your scalp and hair and let it dry for a minimum of 10 minutes. 3. Wash it away with some water. 8. Mustard oil mixed with jojoba oil. Mustard oil is a well-known antimicrobial and antifungal agent. Jojoba oil is rich in minerals and promotes a moisturizing effect. 1 tablespoon of mustard oil mixed with 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil makes for a good mask to treat dandruff. Apply the mixture to your scalp and massage gently, then rinse it out with your regular shampoo. Since mustard oil is considered to be a strong irritant for some people, it is strongly recommended to do a patch test before applying it. 9. Yogurt mixed with lemon juice. Yogurt works effectively for all hair types and helps fight dandruff if applied as a hair mask. Make a mix of yogurt and some lemon juice and apply it to your hair as a mask for 20 minutes, then rinse it out with warm water. 10. Garlic with honey. 10 ways to stop dandruff without using chemicals. Garlic is known for its antifungal and anti-yeast properties. A few garlic cloves mixed with 1 tablespoon of honey mixed into a paste consistency serves as a good anti-dandruff remedy. Just apply this paste to the roots of your hair and leave it for 15 minutes. Then rinse the mixture out with shampoo. Before applying any remedy, don't forget to do a patch test. Before you ever apply any of the ingredients to your scalp or skin, do a patch test to make sure you aren't allergic to any of the components. Apply a small amount of the mixture you'll be using later onto your scalp and the small area of skin on your wrist. Rinse it all off in 10-15 minutes, and wait for 24 hours. If the skin on your wrist remains unchanged without any itching, burning, or redness, it means you're not allergic to the substance. If you notice changes in the skin condition after 24 hours, don't apply the mixture to your hair or scalp. What's your favorite product for curing dandruff that stood the test of time? We'd love for you to share any good remedies that worked for you.